Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max Class. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates. Find the principal value of secant inverse of 2 divided by root 3. In this class, we are going to do this problem in two methods. First method, find the principal value of secant inverse of 2 divided by root 3. If you observe the question, this is of the form secant inverse of x. We know this formula, secant inverse of secant theta equals to theta. This formula holds good when theta belongs to closed interval 0, pi except pi by 2. So I want to use this formula to find principal value of secant inverse of 2 by root 3. If I write this x in the form of secant theta, then this problem comes in the form of secant inverse of secant theta so that I can use this formula. So I want to write this 2 by root 3 in the form of secant theta. Secant 30 degrees value is 2 by root 3. So here secant inverse of, in place of 2 by root 3, you write secant pi by 6. Now you observe this secant inverse of secant pi by 6. It is of the form secant inverse of secant theta. Pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. 30 degrees is there in between 0 and 180 degrees. Yes, it is there. So secant inverse of secant theta equals to theta. This formula holds good. So secant inverse of secant pi by 6 is what? Pi by 6. So the principal value of secant inverse of 2 by root 3 is pi by 6. The same problem we can do in another method also. We'll see what it is. Secant inverse of 2 divided by root 3. We want to find the principal value of secant inverse of 2 divided by root 3. I want to convert this secant inverse in terms of cos inverse. We know this formula from inverse trigonometric functions. Secant inverse x we can write as cos inverse of 1 by x. So secant inverse of 2 by root 3, I'll write it as cos inverse of 1 divided by 2 by root 3. That is equals to 1 divided by 2 by root 3, we can write it as root 3 by 2. So secant inverse of 2 by root 3, we can write it as cos inverse of root 3 by 2. You observe this cos inverse of root 3 by 2, it is of the form cos inverse of x. If I write x in the form of cos theta, then I can use this formula. Cos inverse of cos theta equals to theta when theta belongs to closed interval 0, pi. So I want to write this root 3 by 2 in the form of cos theta. See, from trigonometry table, we know that cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Now you observe cos inverse of cos pi by 6. This looks like cos inverse of cos theta. So we can use the second box. Cos inverse of cos theta is theta. This formula holds good only when theta belongs to closed interval 0, pi. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Is 30 degrees is there in this interval? Yes, 30 degrees is there in between 0 and 180. So I can apply the formula cos inverse of cos theta equals to theta. Cos inverse of cos pi by 6 equals to pi by 6. Now you observe this first method. In this first method also principal value of secant inverse of 2 by root 3 is pi by 6. In second method also principal value of secant inverse of 2 by root 3 is pi by 6. Which method you felt easy, you can go through that method. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please press like button below. Share this video with your friends. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.